Absolutely, I can hear you.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. All right. So, guys, before we start our lesson, let's open our program today by pray based on our religion. Sebelum kita mulai, marilah kita berdoa dulu menurut agama dan kepercayaan masing-masing. Pray, begin.
Amin.
Amin. Dah.
All right, guys. So, how's life today? Gimana sneakers-nya? Very good, very well kah, teman-teman?
Very
So
well.
crowded at my office
Very
today.
Very good,
Oh, so
sir.
crowded.
Very good.
Masya Allah.
Monday.
Okay.
Betul.
Good day.
All right. Okay. It's full of human or it's full of things?
Full of
Full
humans.
of human, full of thing, full of problem.
Human.
Full of problem as well. Oh my goodness. Nice.
Stuff.
Okay. Life without problem is just like a black and white. Okay, guys?
Yes, correct.
Nah, oke. Hidup kalau nggak ada masalah itu kayak cuman hitam putih gitu loh, guys. Kurang.
Betul.
Bakar rumah
It's-
kayaknya, Mister.
Aduh, bakar rumah ya. Ya, betul sekali teman-teman. So, this is the first day, isn't it? Ini hari pertama toh, teman-teman?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so because this is the
Yes,
first
sir.
day, as you can see here, guys, kelihatan nggak sih di sini namanya?
Bro
Bro
Muzat.
Muzat,
Yo, I.
that's your name.
Yeah, that's my name, guys.
Original
That's-
name?
Yeah, my real name is Muzat, but all of my friends call me Jarwo.
So
Oh,
different.
Jarwo.
Yeah,
Nice to meet
From the
you,
original
Okay.
name.
Jarwo. You.
yeah.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, guys.
Mas Jarwo.
And I am from Pare, guys. You know Pare?
Oh, I know
I
Kediri.
know.
Where is it?
Yes, I know, I know.
Okay.
Pare-pare.
Ah,
Sulawesi.
I know,
bukan
sir.
Pare-Pare, itu
Oh,
Pare-Pare.
okay, different.
Sulawesi.
Different
Oh,
Pare.
Pure.
Yo,
Pare Kediri, right?
Kediri.
Oh,
Yep,
Kediri.
exactly.
Oh,
Nah.
Oh, near
Pare
with me.
also
I'm
in
from Madiun.
Kediri.
Oh, Madiun. Alah, Madiun.
And I'm stay at Jakarta right
Oh,
now.
baju stay at Jakarta. Okay. I am normally, we call, if I can say, I am the warlock, you know?
What is
The
that?
warlock.
Warlock.
Warga lokal.
Asli berarti.
Oh my
Dari.
God.
Oke.
Lokal hero, lokal
Asli
hero.
nak, pokoknya mah ya. Asli. Nah,
Asli tuh.
asli nak. Heeh.
Halo, Pak Jarwo.
Okay. All right. And guys, because this is the first day and yeah, I hope in here you are not calling me by the nickname Mr. or Sir.
Mister.
Oke. Jangan, maksudnya jangan pakai Mr. atau Sir.
Oke.
So,
Just
Then,
call me by bro aja.
so,
Bro.
okay.
Bro
bro.
aja. Nah,
Jarwo.
Call you bro.
Oke,
bro.
Oke, Bro Jarwo.
bro. Oke.
Pedo
Oke,
amat,
oke,
Sir.
Bro.
Bro, ini zona banyak sekali, bro.
I can call you.
Ada medok ya. Ya mohon maaf guys. Nama
Bromus.
saya sama Javanese
Can I
Pride.
call you Bromus?
Ya up to you. Bro Jar, Bro Wowo.
Oke, Jarwo.
Better
The main
Bowo.
point, you are not calling me by Mr. or Sir. Yang penting jangan pakai Mr. atau Sir.
Oke, bro.
Oke.
Because I am still
Okay.
17 years old. Saya masih 17 tahun. Masa saya pakai
Really?
Bye.
Pakai malu ya.
Lying.
I don't believe you.
Right, bro.
17 years
I
old.
don't
We don't believe you.
I see it.
Okay. Alright.
You are liar.
Oke, benar. Gini. Nah, okay, guys. So in here, I will be your guider. Yeah, I will guidance exactly. So I will guide you from the first till the end. And guys, I want to show you that if you want to print the module, you can find the module in a description group. Modulnya bisa dicari di deskripsi grup. Itu sudah ada. And then the meeting will be recorded every day. Bakalan direcord tiap hari and I will share it in your group. And then what we call, if you think that the recording is important, you can download the module. Because the module only stand for 2x24. Soalnya modulnya cuma bisa bertahan 2 kali 24 jam saja, guys. And after that, it's completely delete or what we call it vacancy, permanently delete. Ke-delete permanen. So, I just wanna suggest you, teman-teman, saya ingin menyarankan aja, in here, at least teman-teman bisa salah satu orang yang download setiap meeting. Kalau bisa, download setiap meeting. So, when your friends need it, you have it. You know what I mean? Teman-teman, jadi diusahakan satu orang di sini, satu atau dua orang atau tiga orang, diusahakan selalu download recording, nanti dibikinin Google Drive aja untuk di-share ke teman-temannya. Nangkap toh?
Yes, sir.
Halo,
Nah,
yes,
Yes, bro.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
yes.
Nice.
Okay, Bro Jarwo, I know it.
but
Ah,
I think it's
Bro,
gonna be
karena kenapa kok bukan Bro Jarwo? Karena emailnya di sini itu yang pakai nggak cuma 1-2 akun, guys. Ini 10 akun. Yang pakai kurang lebih ada 10 akun lebih. Apa email utamanya yang buat nyimpan recording itu yang pakai kurang lebih ada more than 10 accounts. Lebih dari 10 akun. Nah, tiap akun itu rata-rata nyimpen 7 kelas. 7 kelas, it can be more than 3 giga. Gitu. Lebih dari 3 giga. Kalau 10 akun, wah, berarti sehari kan kurang lebih 30 giga. Nah, sehari 30 giga. Wah, lemes no bolo? You know what I mean?
Yes, I know you mean.
Okay.
yeah.
So,
I got it.
it's better you guys download it by yourself, or maybe you can ask one of your friend, or maybe you just want to delegate yourself. Oh, I want to
Can we
download it.
save the module?
Of course, you can save the module, you can print the module, you can destroy your laptop, up to you.
Untuk menguraikan.
Nah, boleh.
The model
Teman-teman.
is in the link at the WA group.
Ya, description group, modulnya di deskripsi grup.
Okay.
Oke, nanti bisa dicek, cek and recheck, teman-teman. Cara downloadnya itu juga ada di deskripsi grup. Ada kan? Coba ditengok deskripsi grupnya, teman-teman. Ada semua di situ.
Nanti katanya.
Izin lagi ada acara, bisa mendengarkan saja? Bisa, sis. Parkir saja boleh. Masya Allah, jangan lupa parkir 2.000. Oke?
5.000, Bos Jarwo.
Oh, 5.000, siap. Siap salah.
Banyak
Nggak, aman sis ya. Oke, nggak apa-apa, sambil mendengarkan nggak apa-apa. The main point nanti bisa ditengok recordingnya atau di download recordingnya itu.
Berarti setiap meeting harus direkam.
Yups, exactly.
Oke.
Setiap meeting bakal kerekam, nanti rekamannya saya share di grupnya teman-teman.
Oh,
Iya sih, di aplikasinya ada tempat perekamnya sih.
Karena meetingnya itu recordingnya itu cuma 2 kali 24 jam ya teman-teman. Jadi
Okay,
setelah
bro,
saya
thank you.
share,
Let's start it.
jadi bisa di itu. Ada yang mungkin salah kamar guys di sini? Bentar. Ada yang salah kamar nggak? Kira-kira?
Salah.
Itu salah kamar?
Ada, bro.
Siapa yang salah kamar ya?
Mungkin bukan nggak mungkin aja.
Mungkin aja ya.
Mungkin aja yang daftarnya anak-anak, masuknya
I
kelas
don't
dewasa.
This is adult class.
Oke, itu dia maksudnya.
This is for adult.
Yups.
Yeah,
Aman toh berarti?
I see also.
17 tahun masuknya masih kecil nggak?
Belum gede. Aman. Maksudnya itu biasanya santai Bro Ridwan, santai, kalem ya. Take it easy, santai. Nah, santai tuh. Kau tahu menang tuh lo. Nah, ya, oke. Maksudnya itu yang kayak masih SD itu biasanya ada yang nyangkut. Nah, kalau di sini tuh teen and adult, guys. Di sini tuh remaja sama dewasa. Gitu. Maksudnya yang masalah kamar itu mungkin kayak masih kelas 3, kelas 4. Itu biasanya ada where the lesson first begin. Kapan pelajaran pertama dimulai? Pelajaran akan dimulai setelah Anda mengganti nama Anda, bukan pakai angka, ya. Seperti itu. Oke. Aman tak berarti, guys?
Aman.
Aman.
Ya, mana aja.
I have introduced my name.
Ya,
Cuma
nggak mulai-mulai dan lain sebagainya. Nanti kalau nggak dijelasin nanya, "Wah, panjang kali lebar. Dijelasin kapan belajarnya? Walawe mengelemes. Oke, ya teman-teman, don't forget to give your nickname on your Zoom ya, teman-teman. Okay, so we will go on the first meeting. The first meeting, of course, if we want to study about English or every languages, I think, yeah, the first we will study about introduction first. Okay, guys, how do you usually introduce yourself? Gimana sih biasanya teman-teman belajar memperkenalkan diri itu biasanya gimana?
Introduce myself.
Introduce myself.
Okay.
Myself.
Introduction.
introduce myself.
I won't introduce myself.
Give something about the information about myself, like
Okay.
an address,
Yeah.
the birthday, hobby, and another activity.
Okay. Yep. Exactly. That's a really good answer. Of course, guys, if you want to introduce yourself, if we want to introduce ourselves, yeah, the first, don't forget to greet first. Jangan lupa disapa-sapa dulu. Ya. Yuk, yang baru datang, yang baru join bisa di-tap-tap layarnya kan? Nah, disapa-sapa dahulu. Oke. You can greet it first. Disapa seperti apa? Disapa seperti nih misalnya. Tara Mak Jreng. Oke. Disapa-sapa dahulu seperti hello or hi or good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or it can be how do you do? All right, guys. How do you do? It's not a really question. How do you do? Itu bukan benar-benar sebuah pertanyaan. It's just like hello or hi. Itu cuma sekedar kayak hello atau hi aja, guys. So that's why when you study about that, or when somebody said how do you do, the answer is still the same. Makanya how do you do, jawabannya tetap how do you do toh. Dari teman-teman belajar sampai sekarang. Nah, and then when you want to greet someone, I hope you are not saying good night, teman-teman. Good night is not using for greeting. Good night bukan digunakan untuk menyapa. Terus digunakan untuk apa good night? Digunakan untuk ucapan selamat tinggal atau ucapan sebelum tidur, guys. Itu baru bisa pakai good night. Nah, yang nggak bisa nulis nama itu partisipan dipencet. Partisipan dipencet, nanti ada akunnya teman-teman itu paling atas, ada titik 3. Nanti ada rename di situ. La ilaha illallah ya. Oke, ya. Seperti itu. Ini saya mute paten semuanya, kagak ada yang bisa on mic. Ya. Nah, tenang, santai, ada momennya nanti. Take it easy, guys. Calm down. And then after that, guys, after greeting, of course, asking someone's condition. Nanyain kabar. Biasanya teman-teman kalau nanyain kabar pakai apa?
How are you?
How are you? Are you ya?
How are you? Are you? Okay.
Has been
Are you?
Are you ya?
going.
Are you okay?
Been
How's your life?
Terus jawabannya apakah masih sama I am fine, thank you, and you? Apakah gitu atau ada yang lain?
Sometimes I said
Hey.
Yes, I'm good. You
good. Yes, I'm good.
Oh,
good. I'm good.
Thank you.
nah, okay, actually there are a lot of ways for asking someone's condition. Ada banyak sekali cara untuk nanyain kabar seseorang, teman-teman. Bisa pakai how's life. How's life itu sama aja kayak how are you. WhatsApp itu sama aja, tapi WhatsApp itu untuk best friend aja, teman-teman, sudah dekat. Kalau baru kenal, Ya, kalau bisa jangan pakai WhatsApp. Ya, how's your day? Nah, how was your day? Boleh, teman-teman bisa pakai how was your day. How is it going? Juga boleh, bisa aja, teman-teman. Dan jawabannya nggak cuman I am fine, thank you, and you. No. It's not always I am fine, thank you, and you. There are a lot of ways as well in it. Like what? Nah, when you feel alright. Ketika teman-teman baik-baik saja. When you feel alright, you can say I'm great. Bisa. It's not always I am fine, thank you. No. You can say I'm great. I'm very well. I'm very well. I'm very well. And then, never seen better days. Never seen better days. Okay? Never seen better days. And then, you can say like, I feel awesome. Awesome. Dibacanya awesome kayak gini. Jangan awesome. Awesome. I feel awesome, bro. Oke. Bisa. I feel awesome. And then, when you don't feel alright, ya, kalau teman-teman lagi nggak baik-baik saja, I'm not okay. I'm not okay. Or I feel under the weather. I feel under the weather. And then, the next is, it's a challenging day. Aku nggak baik-baik saja. I feel under the weather. Ini jangan diartikan saya berada di bawah cuaca, ya. Ini maksudnya adalah saya lagi sakit. I feel under the weather itu lagi sakit. Nah, atau it's a challenging day itu bisa diartikan hari ini sangat berat. Berat. Tidak meren. Seperti itu. Oke. Bisa? Ketika menjawab ini, pastikan dijawabnya dengan jujur ya, teman-teman. Masa teman-teman bilangnya, I am great-nya, how's life today? Great. Kagak ada great-greatnya sama sekali, lemes. Ya, diusahakan jujur, teman-teman. Aman ya?
Aman.
Oke, selanjutnya. Oke, selanjutnya about name, guys. Of course, when we want to ask about the name, ya. Dari komputer, oke, approve. Untuk nanyain nama, I'm sure you know about this. What's your name? 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 Kalau teman-teman nggak tahu cara bacanya, tulis seperti ini. Jadi it's better teman-teman di print sambil diuret-uret. Enak belajarnya. What's your name? Ya. Okay. And then the way to answer, you can say I am. Bisa. Or my name is. My name is. My name is. My name is. Hello, what's your name? I'm Jarjit Singh. My name is Jarjit Singh. Bisa. Alright. But the things that you need to know, teman-teman, kalau orang luar negeri itu jarang ngasih tahu nama lengkap. Mereka cenderung ngasih tahu nama panggilan saja. Okay? It's really different with in Indonesia. In Indonesia, we commonly say our full name. Rata-rata kita pasti kalau kenalan pertama pasti ngasih tahu nama lengkap toh, teman-teman. Nah, kalau teman-teman nggak masalah, yo monggo. Kalau merasa itu privacy, yo tidak usah, tidak apa-apa. Aman?
Aman. Next.
Selanjutnya, ya, we have about nickname. Kita ngobrolin tentang nickname, teman-teman, atau nama panggilan. Ya, kalau misalnya tadi ngasih tahu nama lengkap, ada nama panggilannya di sini. You can say like, how can I call you? 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 How can I? How can I call you? How can I call you? Or bisa pakai what you like. What you. What do you dibacanya what you. What you. Okay. What you like. What you like. What you like. What you like to be called. What you like to be called. What you like to be called. Pengennya dipanggil apa? You can call me. Siapa? Please address me. Siapa? My friends or family address me. Siapa? Kamu bisa memanggilku. Tolong panggil aku. Teman-teman atau keluargaku memanggilku siapa? Address itu artinya bukan cuman alamat. Address di sini itu artinya panggilan, teman-teman. Oke. You can call me sweetie. Asik. Aman, guys?
Alhamdulillah. Sounds good.
Please
Nice.
address me your life.
Oke.
Next.
My friends, my family address me you.
Oke.
Tell me.
How can I call
This
you?
address.
Can I call you? What do you like to be called? You can call me sweetie. Asik. Nice. Next, selanjutnya teman-teman about origin, aslinya teh di mana ya? Oke. Ya, ada where are you from sama where do you come from. Teman-teman. Sama-sama, dua-duanya itu sama-sama dari mana, teman-teman? Ya. Dua-duanya itu sama artinya dari mana, yang membedakan cuma jawabannya aja nanti. Kalau pertanyaannya where are you from, ya jawabannya I am from. Kalau pertanyaannya where do you come from, jawabannya I come from. Cukup seperti itu tok. Gampang?
Easy,
Ada.
bro.
Bedanya apa?
Yes, bro.
Sama aja.
And I from.
I'm Jakarta.
Are you from, bro?
Ini sama aja, teman-teman. Ya, nggak ada bedanya. Dua itu sama aja. You can choose one of them. Tinggal dipilih salah satu dari mereka. Gitu. Di antara dua itu tinggal dipilih salah satu. Oke. And then, nah kalau ini baru ada bedanya nih. Where you live sama where you stay. Oke. Where you live or where you stay. Kalau live ini udah menetap. Teman-teman tinggalnya menetap. Sudah menetap, itu live. Kalau stay, ini tinggalnya sementara. Ya. Kalau stay itu sementara, kalau live itu menetap. Jadi nanti teman-teman jawabannya tinggal lagi live di mana atau lagi memang stay di mana. And I hope you are not asking about complete address ya, teman-teman. Jangan nanyain alamat yang lengkap banget ya. Nomor rumah, jalan apa dan sebagainya. Kalau bisa, I hope you are not asking about that. Okay? Can you guys?
Okay.
Okay, bro.
Why we
In Jakarta.
Privacy for some people. Ya, itu karena beberapa itu masih privacy, apalagi sama orang sono. Misalnya kalau teman-teman ngobrol with a foreigner, teman-teman ngobrol sama orang asing, ya jangan ditanyain alamatnya lengkap. Apa nih bakso-bakso, ser? Apa nih sate-sate? Wah, jangan. Ya, kalau bisa jangan. Just ask like where you live or where you stay. Ya, itu aja. Cukup. Now, and then there are a few things that you need to avoid, teman-teman. ini ada beberapa hal yang bukan perlu sebaiknya dihindari in introduction. Sebaiknya dihindari. Bukan berarti nggak boleh. Boleh-boleh saja. Tapi sebaiknya dihindari. Apa yang perlu dihindari, teman-teman? Yaitu don't ask or talk ask or talk about age. Ya, don't ask or talk about age. Jangan nanyain tentang umur, teman-teman. Ya, jangan ngobrolin tentang umur. Kalau bisa jangan. Ya, kalau bisa jangan. And then the second, don't ask or talk about religion. Ya, jangan lupa kalau bisa jangan nanyain tentang religion, tentang agama. Or don't ask or talk about finance. Kalau bisa jangan ngobrolin tentang finance juga. And then don't ask or talk about sex. Ini juga kalau bisa jangan, teman-teman. Sebaiknya dihindari. Oke?
Yes, sir.
Oke, bro.
Okay, bro.
Mister.
Next slide, bro.
Yuk.
The next sister.
Selanjutnya. Oke. Selanjutnya. Terus kalau nggak boleh ngobrolin itu, ngobrolin apa? Nah, kalau nggak ngobrolin itu, teman-teman bisa ngobrolin ini. Ada interest, teman-teman. Interest. Ketertarikan, ini kayak hobinya apa? What you like to do. What you like to do. What you like to do. Kamu suka ngapain? Nah, what you like to do. Kamu suka ngapain? Yep, exactly about hobby. Or what do you do in your leisure time? Apa yang kamu lakukan di waktu luang? Sama aja kayak spare time atau free time. Itu artinya sama. Waktu senggang, waktu luang, waktunya teman-teman nggak ngapa-ngapain, biasanya ngapain. Nah, di sini bisa pakai I like ataupun love, teman-teman. Di sini bisa dua. Tinggal dipilih mau pakai like apa love. Sama saja. I like, I love. Ngapain kegiatannya? I love sleeping, I love studying, I love singing, I love traveling, I love cooking. Atau kalau mau pakai yang bawah, I spend my leisure time by ngapain? Kalau by watching doang guys, gantung kalimatnya, dikasih pelengkapnya. Watching apa? I spend my leisure time by watching Korean drama, by watching movie, by watching apa? Ya banyak nih teman-teman.
Netflix.
Watching Netflix,
Videos.
Dangdut akademik.
Dangdut
Quality
akademik.
Indonesia, bro.
Sing cartoon.
Ya teman-teman ya, banyak ya. Bebas teman-teman. Hollywood, Bollywood, maybe but hobby. Hollywood drama, Bollywood drama. It's really nice. Which one do you like? It's up to you. Alright, teman-teman. Is that clear?
Clear, bro.
Next topic. To the next slide. And then the next about occupation. Nah. Alright. Oke, occupation tentang kerjaan. Guys, ini perlu dicatat kalau yang udah ngeprint. Kalau yang teman-teman udah ngeprint, di situ ada what is your job, itu dicoret aja, teman-teman. What is your job, itu dicoret aja. Kenapa dicoret, bro? Kalau mau nanyain kerjaan, what is your job, itu sangat kasar, guys. Jangan. Itu kasar bahasanya. It's impolite, nggak sopan. Kalau nanya kerjaan langsung directly, what is your job, itu kurang sopan. Pakainya yang saya tulis di layar tuh, guys. What do you do for living? If you want to ask about someone's occupation. Itu kalau mau nanyain kerjaan seseorang. Artinya apa? Artinya sama aja. Kalau yang what is your job itu terlalu vulgar. Terlalu barbar bahasanya. Jadi it's better pakainya what do you do for living, teman-teman. Oke. Zoom-nya selesainya jam berapa? Sejam ya, teman-teman. Kita durasinya sejam sampai jam 9. Oke. Seperti itu. Oke. Nah, untuk jawabannya, teman-teman, ada 2, teman-teman. Bisa pakai I am a atau I work at. Kalau I am a, itu nanti diikuti oleh profesinya teman-teman sebagai apa? I am a student, I am a teacher, I am an artist, I am a jobless, I am a apa misalnya, I am a barber. Or I work at factory, I work at a big company, I work at supermarket as a cashier. Misalnya. Bisa. Teman-teman. Oke. Seperti itu. Amankah, teman-teman?
Aman. Right, bro. Aman. Oke. Very well.
Aman.
Oke, aman ya.
Oke. Aman.
Selanjutnya, teman-teman. Oke. Selanjutnya. Nah, selanjutnya kita akan ngobrolin tentang yang selanjutnya, yaitu about dream. Ini tentang cita-cita atau mimpi, teman-teman. Tentang cita-cita atau mimpi. Nah, tentang cita-cita atau mimpi, teman-teman. Ya, oke. Cita-cita atau mimpi. Nice. Selanjutnya, teman-teman. You can ask like, what is your big dream? What is your big dream? Ngantuk turu, bro. Ya, kalau memang ngantuk tidur. Kalau merasa jam segini ngantuk, ya ngambil jam lebih awal toh ya. Kan ada pilihan jamnya tuh, teman-teman. Kalian pilih jam sendiri kan? Benar nggak?
Yes, of course.
Yes, right.
Oke. Kalau merasa ngantuk, ya cari jam lebih awal, ya toh?
Yes.
Yes, right. Yes.
I agree with you.
Next, bro.
Oke.
Agree with you, bro.
Kan teman-teman sendiri yang ngepick jam 8.
What do you want to
Ya
do?
kan? Nah.
Next, bro.
Oke.
Next.
Yo, lanjut teman-teman. Selanjutnya, what is your big dream? Apa sih cita-citanya? Ya, cita-citanya sih apa? Nah, oke, cita-citanya apa? And then, atau bisa pakai yang namanya, what do you want to be in the future? Di masa depan pengen jadi apa? Bisa. Nah, I want to be lucky every day. Boleh, you want to be lucky. I want to be a business woman. I want to be apa sih namanya? Apa sih sebutnya? Entrepreneur. Misalnya, I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to be rich. Nah, I want to be an artist. Oke. Alright. Bisa kan, teman-teman? Dapat gambarannya, teman-teman, di situ?
Oke.
Yes, of course, bro.
Alright.
Lagi nge-zoom, sedang bekerja. I want to know.
Oke, yang penting I want to be good enough for her. Walah. Oke, lanjut, teman-teman. The next selanjutnya untuk closing. Bentar ya, jangan ngetik dulu ya, teman-teman. Kasihan untuk yang pakai HP itu pasti ngeframe parah dan nggak bakal kelihatan. Ya, oke. Nanti dulu aja untuk ketik-ketiknya nanti dulu. Kasihan yang pakai HP nanti. Ya, teman-teman. Kasihan ngeframe parah pasti. Oke, untuk closing, teman-teman, untuk closing ada nice to meet you, teman-teman. Bro, tolong dijawab dong. Apa? Jawab apa? Lah itu udah dijawab teman-teman mulu. Udah jawab teman-teman mulu. Udah dijawab teman-temannya itu. Nih dari si Sarni tuh. Ada, udah dijawab sama teman-temannya. Untuk closing, teman-teman, ya untuk closing ya. Ada nice to meet you. Oke, ada nice to meet you, boleh teman-teman. Ada nice to meet you, ada nice to know you, glad to know you, see you around, see when I see you. Jadi boleh teman-teman mau pakai see you later juga boleh, pakai goodbye juga boleh. Banyak sekali variasinya teman-teman. It's not always like that. Oke. You know what I mean guys? Enggak cuman itu tok jawabannya ya.
Yeah.
Ya, ya.
Okay, so I know, bro.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Alright, so are you ready to practice? Siap practice guys? Because as you know, seperti yang teman-teman tahu, nama lembaganya itu apa? Speaking partner. Jadi kita fokus ke apa guys?
Speaking.
Oke. Ready to practice? Siap practice?
Yes, I'm ready. Sweet little.
Alright. Nah, ini tak mute dulu aja. Note-nya teman-teman jangan chat dulu ya, biar lebih fokus, biar teman-teman bisa itu ya. Oke, nice. So, there you go, teman-teman. Ya, di sini ada teman-teman, ada contohnya. Mau pakai ini boleh, teman-teman mau pakai yang lain juga boleh. Misalnya di sini, hey partners, my name is siapa? My family address me siapa? Keluargaku memanggilku siapa? I am from mana? Ya. And now I live in mana, atau I live atau stay at mana misalnya. And I spend my leisure time by ngapain? Spend my leisure time by ngapain? Kegiatannya tadi kayak hobinya ngapain? And I'm also a or an. Ya, I am also a or an. Dan juga saya seorang apa pekerjaannya teman-teman. And my big dream is, cita-citanya adalah apa? Glad to know you all my partners. Bisa kan teman-teman?
Bisa.
Yes.
Yes, I can.
Oke.
I can try.
Alright.
Yuri satu.
Langsung emoticon raise hand guys. Boleh cari di reaksi. Cari reaksi. Nah, kayak sis Leli pakai emoticon raise hand. Nice. Dan jangan lupa dikasih nama ya, jangan merek HP-nya. Masya Allah. Oke, dikasih nama. Don't forget to give your name in it on your Zoom account ya. Dari 150 orang, 8 orang doang nih. Walawe, really guys?
Practice, bro.
Nah,
the host.
Gimana cara nge-raise?
di bawah itu teman-teman ada pilihan yang namanya reaksi. Kalau nggak ada, itu ada di titik 3. Teman-teman di titik 3 paling kanan itu ada more. Di situ tuh nanti juga ada muncul reaksi atau gambar angkat tangan, itu tinggal dipencet. Nggak ada?
Gimana cara nulis namanya?
Oke. Kalau nggak ada, guys, kalau nggak ada nanti bisa dicek-cek di YouTube, teman-teman. Nanti bisa dicek-cek di YouTube. Ya. Oke, kayak ganti nama dan sebagainya nanti bisa dicek-cek di YouTube, teman-teman. Oke, karena waktu kita cuma sejam toh, masa ya kita kagak praktis sama sekali, kita fokuskan untuk praktis, teman-teman. Oke, Sis Leli Aziza. Halo Sis Leli Aziza. Coba Sis Leli Aziza. Please, the stage is yours. Gas.
I get it.
All right, please, sis.
Good evening, everyone. Hi.
Sis.
So we are partner, okay? And let me introduce myself. My name is Leli Aziza, but my family address me Leli.
Okay.
Call me Leli, okay?
All right.
I'm East Java, and now I live in Banyuwangi City. And I spend my leisure time by dancing, singing, and then exercise.
All right.
And I'm also a housewife with 4 children. My big dream is umrah with my family. Glad to know you all, my partner.
Okay, thank you very much, Sis Leni. Nice. Okay, and then Sis Carlina. Hello, Sis Carlina.
Oh, good evening.
Okay, Sis Carlina, good evening, please.
Good evening, everyone.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, partner. My name is Kalina. My family address me Alin.
Mm-hmm.
I'm from Central Java, and I stay at Jakarta.
Uh-huh.
I spend my leisure time by scroll TikTok.
By scrolling social media, okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm also a nanny sister.
Mm-hmm.
My big dream is nurse.
Mm-hmm.
Glad to know you all, my partners.
Oke, cukup gitu dok, boleh. Thank you, Sis Carlina. Mantap. Bro Aldo, halo Bro Aldo, Rivaldo.
Okay.
Gas, Bro Aldo.
Hello. Good
Halo.
evening, everyone.
Mm-mm.
My name is Aldo, and my family address me as Aldo as usual. I'm
Mm-mm.
from Bandung, and now I live in Jakarta. I spend my leisure time by watching Netflix, on scrolling social media, TikTok, Instagram, and many social media, or I just play a football game with my partner in company. And I'm also an editor in uh one company in Jakarta. My big dream is already broken because my real dream is to be a footballer, but
Oh,
now here
okay.
I am.
Alright, to
I
be
am
a
is
football
an
player
editor.
ya.
Yes.
Okay, I see, I see, I see, I see.
Also that is my self. Glad to know you all, my partners.
Thank
See you.
you, Bro Aldo. I really appreciate that. Nice. And Kamta, hello, F Kamta.
Hello.
Hello, Sis Kamta, please, Sis Kamta.
Okay, thank you
All
for
right.
my time.
Yep.
My name is Kamta. You can call me Kamta. I from Sumatera Barat. Apa ya Sumatera Barat?
West Sumatra.
I'm from West Sumatra, and now I'm living in Sijunjung. I spend my leisure time by writing, and I'm also in practice environment. My big dream is to be happier. Glad to know
Okay.
you all, my partners.
All
Thank you.
right, thank you, Sis Kamta. Nice, boleh. Sis Narti, halo Sis Narti. Are you there, Sis Narti?
Yes.
Yes, oke Sis Narti. Coba Sis Narti tabrak aja, sok digaskeun pokok nama hieu.
Hello. Good
Yo.
evening, everyone.
Okay.
My name is Narti. My family address from Gagaim Press or Tangerang. I'm now living in Gagaim Press and spend my leisure time by watching mobile or reading books.
Okay.
And my big dream is a lot of money. I'm
lot
glad to
of-
know you
to be
all my
rich. Nah.
to be rich.
Okay, thank you, Sis Narti. All right, Sis Bunga. Halo, Sis Bunga.
Hello, bro.
Oke, Sis Bunga. Coba, Sis Bunga.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bunga Febriana, and you can call me Bunga. I'm
Okay.
originally from Solo, and I'm a student. And I love watching a movie, and I want to be an entrepreneur. That's
Entrepreneur.
all. Thank you,
Okay.
guys. Glad to know
Thank you,
you.
Sis Bunga. All right, Bro Elvin. Halo, Bro Elvin.
Halo, bro.
Bro Alvin, coba Bro Alvin, sok digaskeun pokokna mah.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Let me
Okay.
introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Alvin, and my family address me Alvin. I'm from West Java, and now I live in Cimahi. I spend
Cimahi, okay.
my leisure time by work out and reading a book. And I'm
Okay.
also employee in office.
Okay. Bisa.
My big dream is an engineer.
Engineer. To be an engineer. What I thank you, bro Alvin. Okay, nice. And then ada Sis Diana. Halo Sis Diana.
Halo bro.
Okay, halo Sis Diana. Please introduce yourself, Sis Diana.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody.
Okay, good
Hi,
evening.
hi, partners. My name is Diana. My family address me Anna. I
Okay.
am from Bengkulu.
Oh,
And
Bengkulu. Okay.
yes,
Huh?
and now I live in Tangerang.
Uh-huh.
I spend my leisure time by watching Dracin or
Oh,
Drakor.
Dracin. I love Dracin as well. It's Chinese drama.
Yes. My big dream
Okay.
is traveling in Indonesia.
Around Indonesia, exactly.
Okay.
Okay,
Glad to
thank you.
know all my partners.
All right, thank you,
Okay, thank
Sis Diana.
you.
All right, Sis Niananda. Halo, Sis Niananda.
Hello,
Halo, Sis Nia. Coba Sis Niananda.
everyone. Hi,
Okay.
my partners. My name
Uh-huh.
is Nia. I'm family address Minia. I'm
Uh-huh.
from Java. I live in Pelangi. I spend my leisure time by watching Facebook, social media.
Uh-huh.
Big dream is having family and traveling.
Okay.
Okay, glad to know you all, my partners. Thank you.
Thank you, Sis Nia. Boleh. And then Sis Aisyah Fadila. Halo, Sis Aisyah Fadila.
Hello everyone.
Uh-huh. Okay, hello.
Let me introduce myself.
Uh-huh.
My name is Aisyah Fadla Anissa. My
Uh-huh.
family address me Aish. I'm from Lampung and now I live in Pringsewu. I spend my leisure time by scroll TikTok.
Oh, okay.
I am also an graduate psychology.
Okay.
My big dream is psikolog. Glad to know
Okay.
you all, my partners.
Thank you very much, Sis Aisyah. Jangan lupa dikasih nama ya, teman-teman ya. Bro Eka. Halo, Bro Eka. Bro Eka atau Sis Eka nih? EKS? EKS? Nampaknya tidak nampak. Bro Jerry? Halo, Bro Jerry.
Hello guys.
Oke, halo Bro Jerry. Boleh Bro Jerry. Coba Bro Jerry.
Hello, hi partners. My name is
Huh?
Jerry.
Huh?
My family address me Jerry.
Huh?
I'm from Manado. It
Huh?
is North Sulawesi,
Okay.
and I live in Kota Mobagu City.
Huh?
I spend my leisure time by traveling and watching.
Okay.
And I'm also an self-employed.
Huh?
My dream is a very rich.
Okay.
And
Siap.
glad to know you, my partners. Thank you.
Oke, thank you Bro Jerry. Mantap. Oke, Sis Nabila. Halo Sis Nabila.
Hello.
Hey, Sis
Hi.
Nabila.
Okay.
Oke.
Hi, partner. Good evening.
Okay.
My name is Nabila. My family address me Nai. I'm from North Sumatra, and now I live in Medan.
Okay.
I spend my leisure time by watching drama
Oh,
like
okay.
Chinese or Korean.
All right, same.
And
Chinese drama
I'm
exactly, okay?
okay. And
Uh-huh.
I'm also a student.
Uh-huh.
My big dream is um traveling around the world.
Okay, traveling around the world.
Okay, thanks.
Uh-huh.
Glad to know you all, my partners.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sis. All right. Bro Rizky Arya Wibowo. Halo Bro Rizky Arya Wibowo.
Hi bro.
Oke, please Bro Rizky Arya Wibowo digaskeun. Yo.
Okay. Hi
Yo.
partners. Good evening everyone.
Alright.
My name is Rizky Arya Wibowo.
Hmm.
You can call me Arya.
Uh-uh.
I am from South Sumatra and
Okay.
now I live in Palembang.
Oh, oke, Palembang.
I spend my leisure time by reading
Hmm.
and watching news political in Indonesia.
Masya Allah, mengerikan bolo. Alright.
And
Terus.
I am also a student.
Oh, student, oke.
My big dream is fluent in English for now.
Oke, fluent in
Glad to know
English.
you all my partners. Thank
Oke,
you.
thank you, bro. Nice. Ada Sis Ella selanjutnya. Halo, Sis Ella. Sis Ella, main yuk. Oh, ada orangnya. Oke. Sis Ella?
Halo.
Oke, Sis Ella. Coba, Sis Ella.
Good evening.
Oke,
Let me
good evening.
introduce myself.
Huh?
My name is Marcella Adonis. My family address me Ella. I am from Kupang, NTT, and I live in Fatukoa. I spend my leisure time by singing, watching Korea drama.
Oke, Korean drama.
And I'm also a student. My big dream is go to Paris.
Go to Paris, oke.
Glad to know you all, my parents. Thank you.
Oke, thank you. Mantap sekali, teman-teman. Alright, cukup dulu ya untuk praktis-praktisnya. Besok kita praktis lagi. Oke, yang hari ini sudah praktis, besok gantian yang belum praktis. Ya toh? Gimana?
Oke.
Thank you.
Aman ya?
Oke.
Pak, nanti sambil dicoba-coba lagi di rumah, teman-teman. Kalau misalnya nggak tahu caranya raise hand, bisa di browsing. Caranya ganti nama bisa di browsing. Soalnya masa iya saya manggil teman-teman pakai merek HP kan kayak gimana gitu loh guys, you know? Masa saya manggilnya halo bro Oppo kan nggak enak ya?
Halo Bro Redmi.
Enak, mending pusing aja pusing.
Nah, oke. Jadi besok yang sama teman-teman. Linknya sama teman-teman, bisa dicek di grup. Linknya tidak akan pernah ganti mulai dari awal sampai berakhir. Itu linknya tidak akan pernah ganti. So it's better to save the link. Oke, guys?
Oh ya.
Noted
bro, noted.
Bye.
Thank you bro.
Sampai situ dulu guys.
Thank you.
That's all for today. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining. I'm Jarwo and the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
See you guys. Bye.
Bye. Bye.